Oh, friends. So Walmart Christmas hit 90% off today, and I spent about $40 and I got an entire table full of stuff. So it was just a very trippy and fun haul. The first store that I went to, a lot of the stuff was bringing up 75%, which was its own sort of like hard times for me. But I went to customer service and asked for a bit of help, and the manager helped me out. So that was really nice. I'm going to have to say that the absolute find in this whole haul was the Tree Hut Candy Cane Crush Body Wash. This guy, I got it for 20 cents. And I'm going to walk you through how I got it for 20 cents. It's kind of like one of these things. You can't be shy. You have to go to customer service to get that price point. But I was shocked to get it for that price. But every other item, like to get the men's Ninja Turtle socks for 99 cents and wrapping paper for 37 cents, a lot of the ornaments for $1. I mean, Walmart is where it's at. Just absolutely fantastic. Those socks, I'm so delighted because I like to give my brother-in-law's socks. This is a Toy Story pizza. Isn't that cute? But everything, like, you know, I had a lot of problems too with the Walmart app, so I had to get a lot of price checks. But the employees were really nice and very helpful. So I was just like, wow, this is amazing. So some of this stuff ringing up 75, but the majority of it 90, or I went to customer service for some help. And most of the stores, they were very friendly and helpful to help me out. And I will talk about how to get a modification at customer service. The first piece of business we're going to talk about is Tree Hut. This is called Candy Cane. It's a body wash, a foaming body wash, foaming gel wash. This is Christmas if you look at it. It's not for, St. Patrick's Day. There's even a snowman in front of it. So it's very Christmas. And when Christmas merchandise is 90% off, what you can do if it's ringing up for 75% off for you at a self checkout is to bring it to customer service or to an actual cashier and say, hey, this is obviously Christmas and it's still ringing up for $1.98. And what they will do is give you a modification. And they will look up the price of the item in their system, but for whatever stupid reason, this was ringing up for $1.98. There was no original price point. So at customer service, the manager of managers said 20 cents each. And that's what they gave them to me for. And I found them where the Tree Hut stuff is. It's merchandise on a side shelf near the beauty and all that stuff, like where the body wash and all that stuff is. So to get this for 20 cents, if you are not a shy person, I would bring it to customer service and say, hey, this is supposed to be 90. It obviously looks Christmassy and they should modify the price. Not all stores will do this. Some of them will just take it and say, sorry, it's $1.98. But if you have a nice manager, they'll probably modify it for you. So, I mean, the find of the finds, there's no way that this couponer would pay $1.98 for these body washes, but to pay 20 cents. Yes, please, and thank you so much. Another item that wasn't ringing up properly was this it's hair clips by Scuncy, found on a side cap. The original price was $9.99, and so it should be ringing up for 99 cents. And the cashier just modified it for me on site. I didn't have to go to customer service. So it depends who you get. The nicer that you are, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry to be so irritating. And the more that you can be like pandering or kind, or just be really, really kind and say, oh my gosh, I really want this. They will probably modify it for you. And they clearly know this is Christmas. Like Glam and Sparkle, yeah, it's a Christmas item. The Intuition gift set, I got it for $1. I think the original price point was 10, and they just reduced it down to $1. I only found one. I love this razor, so to pay $1, even the refills, I mean, that's totally worth it. No brainer here. But the cashier had to modify that for me. Okay, so just to show you one of my carts, some of the stuff that I got, the men's crew socks that were $9.99 down to 99 cents. I got a bunch of them. I love to gift this to my brother-in-laws in their little coupon basket. There's a holiday light thing. It's just a little necklace. I thought my sister-in-laws would really like those for next Christmas. Throw it in with some stockpile goodies. And then the Christmas ornaments were probably like $1 to $1.09 each. Give you guys a couple close-ups. The men's Christmas socks came in these little boxes at 99 cents each. The original price point was $9.99. So cute. The cute little 50 center here, this little holiday light. It's like a necklace. I think it's adorable. Old-fashioned light bulbs for Christmas. We have a bunch of ornaments now. This was 58 cents for this Ninja Turtle. I thought it was adorable and such a great price point. The larger ones were anywhere from $1.25 to $1.02. The Gabby's Dollhouse ones I find absolutely adorable. I also got a Friends one and a Batman one, just everything for next Christmas, people to gift ornaments to. And then these food ones, I picked up one of each because I have some problems at 58 cents a pop. Eggo, Klondike, Rice Krispies, I wanted all the food. And we also have this little topper for 19 cents. I like to gift nice baskets to my neighbors, so this will be perfect to go with a gift. And then $1.49 for these 3 packs of more food because I'm going to have a food tree next year. I've already decided it. And then these little Star Wars mysteries for the kids. Perfect thing for a stocking. It's tiny at 58 cents. Now, just to be honest with you guys, in the Walmart dollar spot, they're trying to be like Target, but they're not Target. It's with this sort of like blue, in the right-hand corner, that little dollar sign. All of that was ringing up 75%, which was weird. So this was like, 25 cents for a dollar bag, and it should have been 10 cents. So they had to modify that. The cashier I had was so spectacular. Like, I need to do a survey to thank her. This gorgeous little sign, 50 cents, original price point $5. So the savings are really deep. Find this stuff merchandised at the front of the store in the clearance section, or they might have a section right at the front saying, come and get everything. 30 cents for this little cutesy tree. I have plans for it next year and my decorating. I wasn't like shopping like I usually do. These were 30 cents, these little bowls. I bought only what I was going to gift next year or what I wanted for my decor. So it wasn't the huge amount that I usually get. And this subsequently fits a 3-wick Bath and Body Works candle. You can see I threw one in there. It fits perfectly. Another really cute find, and I only got one of each at 50 cents a pop, are these mats. I got one for the bathroom and then one for the kitchen. They're a little bit thinner, so I think if you put them outside, they would probably get torn up pretty quickly. They were found in the dollar spot, and they had a huge amount of them. They probably had like 100, and I only took 2. These gifting boxes I find so adorable. Put a little bit of like, put a bow on it. It would be perfect. And they were 50 cents. We have the window art for 19 cents. I got them for my nieces and nephews. This will keep the kids very busy. And then the final item is the Budweiser, the beer company's 37 cents for this gift wrap. My husband will absolutely love it next year. I also found these Yankee Candle concentrate room sprays, the different like sugared cinnamon, cookie, and cupcake, all Christmas scents. They were tagged for 50 cents, ringing up for $3, so they gave them to me for 30 cents. So be diabetically sweet to the manager, cashiers, whomever. You be charming and extra sweet, and you might have the same luck as I to pay 30 cents for a bunch of these. I'm gifting all of them next Christmas, and I get to play Santa Claus. Let me know how you guys are scoring over at Walmart. It was an absolutely trippy day. Usually things don't go my way. I'm usually here saying, oh my god, it's bad times, but this was my day, and I just I need to go buy a lottery ticket. Good luck, guys, and I hope that all of you can find that tree hut, because what a find. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.